Hi everyone! Black HT gun has been designed with the goal of a quick maintenance and easy disassembly by using only one tool, which is valid for a daily job. However, sometimes you need to make a complete dismantling of the gun for cleaning, including a chamber ejection ring. In this video, I will try to show you how to do it correctly. Chamber ejection ring is fixed on the gun body with 3 pins, 1, 2 and 3, with internal thread, which are quite tight. The thread inside the pin is a standard 3mm metric, so you can use any 3mm screw for extraction. To remove the pin, twist in any 3mm screw until it stops. Fix the head of the screw in the vise and release it using a plastic mallet. Repeat the same step with other 2 pins and remove the chamber ejection ring.